Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon for 2025. If you want crystal clear footage, 24/7 parking protection, Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS tracking, and industry-leading night vision, these dash cams are the best you can buy right now. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360-degree dashcam. The Vantrue N5S is a 4-channel 360-degree dashcam system offering 2.7K front, 1440p rear, and dual 1080p inside cameras. It uses STARVIS 2 sensors, IR night vision, Wi-Fi, voice control, GPS, and supports up to 1 terabyte storage. The N5S is one of the most advanced dashcams available. With 4 channels recording simultaneously, it captures everything around the car: front, rear, cabin, and blind spots. Night vision is incredibly clear thanks to STARVIS 2 and IR technology. The Wi-Fi transfer speeds are fast, and voice commands make it easy to use hands-free. Pros: full 360-degree coverage, STARVIS 2 plus IR night vision, supports 1 terabyte storage, voice control plus GPS, excellent daytime clarity. Cons: requires more installation effort, higher price due to multi-channel setup. A perfect choice for rideshare drivers, families, or anyone who wants maximum protection from all angles. Number 2. Vantrue N2X, 2.7K front and inside dashcam. The Vantrue N2X is a dual dashcam with 2.7K front and 1080p interior camera. It features HDR IR night vision, STARVIS 2 sensor, 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, 2.5K 60fps recording, and supports 512GB storage. This dashcam is ideal for Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers. The interior camera offers exceptional low-light clarity. The 60fps front footage makes license plates easy to read even at high speeds. With 5G Wi-Fi, transferring videos to your phone is very fast. Pros: 2.7K plus 1080p dual recording, smooth 60fps front video, strong interior night vision, 5G Wi-Fi plus GPS, supports 24/7 parking mode. Cons: no rear camera. File sizes can be large at 60fps. Perfect for drivers who need reliable front plus cabin coverage with excellent night recording. Number 3. 4K plus 4K dashcam, front and rear. Free 128GB. This dashcam features true 4K front and true 4K rear recording, ultra-wide 170-degree field of view, built-in GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, a 3-inch IPS screen, and it supports 512GB max storage. Plus, it includes a free 128GB SD card. One of the rare dashcams offering 4K plus 4K recording, this model delivers incredibly sharp video quality. The details are crystal clear, perfect for capturing license plates from both front and rear. The user interface is simple, and the fast Wi-Fi makes transferring large 4K files much easier. Pros: true 4K front and rear video. Free 128GB card included. Wide-angle 170-degree lens. Built-in GPS and G-sensor. Fast Wi-Fi paired with an IPS screen. Cons: 4K files take large storage. Night vision is good but not as strong as STARVIS. Best option if you want maximum video clarity front and rear without spending too much. Number 4. REDTIGER ViewClear 70, 4K plus 2.5K dashcam. This REDTIGER model features 4K front and 2.5K rear using the 8-megapixel STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor. It includes dual HDR, hyper night clarity, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6, 30 megabytes per second fast downloads, and a 24-hour parking monitor. One of the best balanced dashcams of 2025. The ViewClear 70 excels in night performance thanks to the IMX678 STARVIS 2 sensor and dual HDR processing. Footage remains clean, sharp, and low noise even in dark areas. Wi-Fi 6 offers blazing fast video downloads, making this great for people who review footage often. Pros: STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor. Excellent night visibility. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6, super fast downloads. HDR reduces glare. Clean and modern app. Cons, rear is 2.5K, not 4K. App setup takes a moment. A great choice if you want superior night vision and modern connectivity at a reasonable price. Number 5. Vantrue N4 Pro S, 4K 3-channel dashcam. The Vantrue N4 Pro S is a 3-channel recorder featuring 4K front, 1080p inside, and 2.5K rear. It uses triple STARVIS 2 sensors, HDR IR night vision, Wi-Fi, GPS, voice control, and supports up to 1 terabyte storage. This is a premium 3-channel system perfect for complete coverage. STARVIS 2 sensors provide incredible clarity day and night. The interior IR camera captures clear footage even in pitch black. The overall video quality is among the best in the dashcam market. Pros: 3-channel, front, inside, rear, 4K front clarity, triple STARVIS 2 sensors, up to 1 terabyte storage, voice control plus GPS plus Wi-Fi. Cons: higher price tag, multi-channel video requires big storage. A top-tier option for full evidence and maximum safety. Ideal for rideshare drivers and daily commuters. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon 2025. Whether you need full 360-degree protection, ultra-clear 4K video, or powerful night vision, there's a dash cam here for every budget and every need. Comment down below, which dash cam would you choose? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews.